Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you a quick guide on how to easily withdraw your crypto from OKX to the MEXC app. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global yet, check the video description for the sign up link and get up to 8,000 USDT beginner rewards. Alright, let's get into the video. First, open your OKX app and go to the Assets tab. Here, you'll see your total asset value, and below that, you'll find the deposit, withdraw, transfer, and history buttons. You'll also see the list of assets you currently hold. Pick the token you want to withdraw. Let me choose USDT. Then tap Withdraw. A pop-up will appear asking whether you want to withdraw crypto or P2P trading. Select Withdraw Crypto. Next, choose Exchanges. Now select the network. For this example, I will use Arbitrum 1. This is where you will paste your MEXC deposit address. So now let's get it from the MEXC app. Open your MEXC account and go to the Wallets tab. Tap the Deposit button and then select On-Chain Deposit. Choose the same crypto you want to deposit, in my case, USDT. Next, choose the same network. I will use Arbitrum 1. Here, you can scan the QR code or copy your deposit address. Let me copy mine. Now, go back to the OKX app and paste your MEXC deposit address here. Tap Next. Enter the withdrawal amount. Tap Next again. Choose withdrawal account, either funding or trading. Then hit Confirm. Make sure to double check all details, the coin, the amount, and the network to avoid mistakes. Once everything is correct, tap Confirm again and complete the security verification. Great! My withdrawal request has been submitted. Let's wait a few minutes for it to arrive in my MEXC account. I check my MEXC app and the deposit has been successfully added to my balance. And that's how you withdraw crypto from OKX to MEXC. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.